Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my 10-minute spring onion pancake hack. This recipe is so easy, it only calls for 3 household ingredients. All you need is spring onion, ready-made puff pastry and oil. We're going to start with a sheet of defrosted puff pastry and lightly brushing it with oil. Make sure you get every single corner so that the salt and spring onion sticks on nicely. We're gonna then follow that up with some salt and as much spring onion as you like. Next, we're going to roll the puff pastry upwards so that the spring onion, salt and oil are layered throughout. Go ahead and add a little bit more oil to that puff pastry and your working space so that everything is nice and oiled up. Now we're going to take our rolled puff pastry and coil that up into a snail shell like shape and flatten it out. We're then going to grab a rolling pin and whilst applying an even pressure, we'll be rolling out this puff pastry into a thickness of around 5 millimeters. And now to start cooking, we're going to grab a pan, heat that up and add some oil. We're then going to cook the pancake over a medium heat for roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side, making sure that we're flipping as we go to really get that nice golden, crispy exterior that we're after. And we're nearly there. To finish off, we're going to be cutting our spring onion pancake into triangles and making a dipping sauce to serve with. For our little dipping sauce, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar and some chopped spring onions. Give that a good stir and make sure everything is combined well. Let's eat. And there you guys have it. This is my super simple 10-minute spring onion pancake hack. With just 3 simple ingredients, you've got yourself a cheeky little snack. They're crispy, they're flaky, and just so delicious with that dipping sauce we've made. All this in less than 10 minutes. Seriously guys, you need to get on it. Thanks for watching guys. If you've enjoyed this recipe hack, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.